Hi. Animal research is starting, and I love animal research, and I love animals, which I'm sure lots of you do. We talk about animals all the time, seeing animals in the wild, zoos. I think there's good things and bad things about zoos, but that's a whole other conversation. Animal books, all kinds of different things to do with animals. I can't wait to see what you do with your research as you get to pick any real animal you want. But this book is called Out of Sight, put out by Pittau and Gervais. Doesn't say their first names, which is kind of neat. And it's put out by Chronicle books. Thanks for letting us share. This book is so cool. It's got lots of different flaps, and you almost kind of have to guess what's going on, which is why it's called Out of Sight. It's pretty long, so I may not do the entire book, but let's take a peek. Oh, right away. You can see how it's a little bit different. So by just looking at the silhouettes or almost shadows of these animals, can you tell what they are? What's this one? Let's see. More people are injured by hippopotami every year than by sharks. Dangerous hippos. Whew. Can you name all 8 species of bears? Polar bear, brown bear, black bear. A horse's height is measured in 4-inch lengths called hands. So that's how a horse is measured. Bison or buffalo are fast. They can run up to 30 miles per hour. So when you're doing your animal research and you find some interesting facts, all of those would be really cool facts. If you're doing a hippo, I'd definitely share that one. Oh. I think you can tell what some of these animals are. You want to take some guesses before I flip them? Dromedary or Arabian camel. Don't let anyone tell you that a camel stores water in its hump. It stores fat there. No water in there, it's fat. One way to tell the difference between a male and a female giraffe is to look at the top of their horns. The top of a male's horns are bald and the tops of the female are fuzzy. Did you know that? A Bactrian camel can close its nostrils to keep sand out. That's an adaptation. Them being able to do that because of the habitat that they live in is an adaptation. Some animals have horns, but not deer. Deer have antlers. The difference? Horns grow all year long, antlers fall off and grow again. We're seeing that a lot in our neighborhood. I live near Nicholas Sharon Park, and I bet a lot of you maybe see the deer around, and you can see those that have lost their horns and they're starting to grow again. Sorry, have lost their antlers. Whoa, and now this page is different. Now we see the spots or the markings of these different animals. Individual zebra stripes variations are as unique as our fingerprints. See how that book kind of pops up? I love this book. Why does this book have spots? Fallow deer are a speckled variety. From the Middle East, some deer are only speckled when they are fawns, but this kind keeps their spots all their lives. What's this little one? Hamsters can store half their body weight of food in their cheeks. A mole won't eat your plants. It only eats insects. A sheep never has more than 8 teeth. Didn't know that. A cow can climb upstairs, but not down. Oh, that would get him in a sticky situation. You'll never need to tell a leopard from a jaguar in the wild. Leopards are native to Asia and Africa. Jaguars are native to South and Central America. You'll only see them near each other in the zoo. The okapi lives in the African rainforest. Though it looks a little like a zebra, it's more closely related to the giraffe. Jaguars and leopards may look alike, but their spots are different. The jaguar has spots within its spots, and the leopard doesn't. A group of lions is a pride, but a group of tigers is an ambush. That makes sense. Oh, look at all these guys hiding now. Otters have webbed paws. A wolf's sense of smell is 100 times more powerful than a human's. Adaptation keeps them safe. Don't pick up a platypus. They may look harmless, but the males have venomous spurs on their feet. The poison is very painful. Wow, didn't know. Tapirs have a useful nose. They can grab branches and leaves with their snouts. There aren't many monkeys that have blue faces. This one is a mustached monkey. Marmots can whistle. Badgers have fierce claws and powerful jaws. Don't get in a badger's way. We see a lot of those in the prairies. Be careful of those badgers. A male donkey is called a Jack, and a female is called a Jenny. Jack and Jenny. A beaver's front teeth never stop growing. Raccoons are talented climbers. Rats are good jumpers. When a rabbit is very happy, it will softly grind its teeth together. It sounds a bit like purring. There are over 1,000 different kinds of bats. A harvest mouse has a prehensile tail. I'd have to look that word up. Pigs are very good swimmers. Squirrels are amongst the smartest animals in the world. Had no idea. Forest dormice are known for their long periods of hibernation. A fox's tail is called a brush. Elephants can communicate with sounds too low-pitched for humans to hear. Other elephants, even miles away, can sense the sound vibrations through their feet and trunks. A kangaroo cannot move backward. Didn't know. Mice have 18 toes. A polar bear is the world's largest meat eater on land. Well, here's some of our last facts on this page. Armadillo means little armored one. That makes sense. Pandas usually give birth to twins. Goats are very agile. They can even climb trees. A lynx has larger paws than most cats to help it walk on snow. And this is our last page with its prints. This is a really big book, you guys. It's hard to hold up. A lion can roar, but it cannot purr. Some shrews are poisonous. Cats are the most popular pet in the world. I'm more of a dog person. Hedgehogs eat slugs, beetles, and caterpillars, among other things. A dog has 42 teeth. How many do you have? Have you ever seen a gorilla laugh? Like other apes, they do, especially when tickled. Why is a boar's snout flat? For digging. There's a special name for the high-bouncing running that gazelles sometimes do. Stotting is what it's called. And our last one. A rhinoceros horn isn't a true horn. It's made of extremely dense hair. This book's amazing. I can't wait to see all of the awesome facts and information you're going to learn about your animals and put into your research projects. Take care.